what's up, everybody? I forgot to film an intro, like a proper one, but I'm on my way to get my car tinted. I'm also going to be selling these headlight buckets to my friends because I don't really need them. But yeah, my car's about to look way better. I'll catch y'all when I'm there. All right, guys, I had my friend Jaden pick me up. They're still doing my tint. We're at In-N-Out. I just make you start recording. Yeah, I didn't even give you like any prep time.
What up, YouTube? What it do, crew?
Yeah, I didn't record them actually doing the tint because I don't want to I don't know, I just feel awkward doing that. But yeah, they said like 2 hours, so we're gonna go chill at here and then go to Summit, and then I'm gonna sell those things like I said earlier. This is all mine.
That was so fat.
Wait, this is actually mine. That's mine. Yeah.
Which one's the triple? That one?
Yeah. That's so good. All right. Well, we're still waiting on my tint, so we're just chilling right now. I don't know when it's gonna be done. They said like an hour, or they said 2 hours, like an hour ago. Stop zooming in. So, how long do you think it's been? Like an hour?
Yeah, I think it's been almost 2 already. I think you should probably text them.
All right. If you're in the DFW area, check out DTX Tint. I'll put it right here. They do really good work for like cheap price. But you move, it's not gonna be you. They do good work for cheap price. Like mine's only $300 and it's on the weekday, so it's not bad at all.
One.
All right, it's done now. Like we literally just recorded that like a second ago. But yeah, we're on our way there right now. All right, guys, I got the tint. This is what it looks like. It's like a limo. It's so dark. This is 35 up front and then 5% all around ceramic. And it's not that bad driving in. This is nighttime. I'm gonna show you what it looks like during the day. But dude, this looks so much better than what it used to be. This is what I was missing and I finally got it. It looks so much better. All right, guys, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like during the day. Look how good that looks, dude. Alright guys, so this looks so much better. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Every single video I go, this is my favorite thing I've done, or I've been needing to do this for so long. This is seriously one of the like mods I've been needing to do. So this is pretty risky because it is illegal. The tint I have, you cannot have any front windshield tint. You cannot have 5% on the sides, but this is a risk I'm willing to take. Do not tell me this does not look sick. You cannot even see inside. I'm not gonna drive around too often right now because I have to let the tint cure, because if not, you know, like I can't roll the windows down right now. I have to wait a few days. But I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like from the inside. At night, it is pretty dark. I'm not gonna lie. It takes some time to get used to. So, this is what it's like in the inside. It's really not that bad in person. I low-key like it being this dark because I have so much more privacy. It's not super hot in here. That was another reason why I wanted tint, because my dash gets really hot and the visor in here is really annoying to put on. But yeah, if y'all are curious, 5% all around, 35 up front. It's nano ceramic and I got a really good deal. So if you're in the DFW area and you want to go to some good, nice people that actually care about what they're doing and they're not overpricing, check out DTX Tints right here. There's 2 of them. One of them is the one I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, I've done a lot to my car to the point where I'm actually like fully happy with it. This looks so good, man. There's still 2 things I want to do. Eventually, I do want clear tail lights. I do like these a lot. It's just what I've always wanted. And then I want big exhaust tips. That's what I want next. But if y'all know me, y'all know I am graduating in 10 days, which is so weird. 10 school days. That is so weird to me, dude. Posting videos on this account since junior year, and it's now senior year, and I've documented my entire car journey. So if y'all are new here, make sure to check out all those videos. Y'all can see me change throughout the year, change my mods, and just grow. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be spamming a ton of videos because this looks so cool. Make sure to follow my TikTok and my Instagram because I'm going to be spamming so many videos because this looks so cool. Go get that tint, dude. That looks so good. Do it. We're about to hit arms in this new gym that just came into our place in a disclosed location.
Very undisclosed location. We are not sharing.
Yeah, we're not in my car because I can't roll my window down and I don't want to get pullovers. So This is the OG gym bro. We used to talk about making gym videos, but that never happened. But let me know if y'all want to see gym videos in the Corvette. I can do like, I don't know, POV drives to the gym.
I'm not used to
He's not used to the YouTube. Does that feel weird? Yo. I don't know if it's like. Bro, it's so weird. You like it?
Well, I have microphones.
What would you rate the gym so far?
I give it like a 7.2 out of 10.
Yeah, it's nice. It's just really overstimulating. There's so much going on.
I definitely gotta feel more of the machines, but it is really bad.
Hey, C5 Colson gym arc. All right, guys, we're done with the gym. What would you rate it still?
I'd say maybe like a 7.5.
Yeah, they don't have a posing room though, like, or any mirrors really to pose on.
I took off a whole point.
Yeah.
I took off a whole point.
Because I was thinking maybe an 8.5.
Yeah, I was thinking that, but then they didn't have a posing room. They didn't have anywhere to like look at yourself where it didn't make you feel awkward.
Yeah, what's the point of going to the gym if you can't look at yourself?
Exactly,
Right?
that's the whole point.
Yeah, that's the whole point.
That's literally the whole point. It's to look dope as fuck and being strong while you're doing it.
All right, guys, this is it at night, and this is with no light. It doesn't really make a difference. Dude, it's so dark. It's blacked out, bro. I'm gonna turn my flash on so y'all can see better there. But same with the flash, like, look, that doesn't really make a difference. It's really, really dark. I'm gonna show y'all on the inside too so y'all can get a little look. Okay, so now my lights are really bright too in here, the purple lights. Because, you know, it's darkness. But yeah, this is what it looks like in here. It's pretty dark. But when you're driving in the city with light and stuff like that, which this area where I live in is kind of country, it's not, I mean, it's not the worst. It could be worse, you know what I mean? It's just like driving with sunglasses on. Like I said, it could be worse. It's not, you know, I'm not gonna say it's great. Now, imagine 25%. I was thinking about doing 25. I'm glad I did not. It wouldn't really matter anyways because 35 looks good enough, you know what I mean? After watching this, this is your sign to do tint, man. Guys, I'm finishing out what it looks like in the day one more time. And yeah, I just have it out here for now because I'm trying to get it to fully cure so I can roll the windows down because it's really scary if I drive past a cop right now. But I'm really, really happy with it. This is actually one of my favorite things I've done to my car. And a lot of people are telling me that like this looks so much better. Some cars look good with fish bowls, and I feel like it can depend on your type of build. But in my opinion, I think C5s and like Scat Packs, all those type of cars, I think these all need super dark tint. I think it just looks way better. You can get away with it. Like, I think it looks good if you have like a Civic or like Japanese cars in general, like 90s, 2000s cars. I think it looks really good without tint. But something about having just this body line with the super dark tint, especially at night, it just looks so good. Now, I know a lot of y'all really like the POV drives, and I haven't done a POV drive in a few months. I'm gonna start doing those a lot more. I'm gonna try to continue posting a lot. I am graduating and going into the real world pretty soon, but I'm gonna try to still post POV drives, and I'm still gonna do some mods here and there. I don't really have too much to do, but I'm not gonna stop making videos. But besides the POV drives, let me know if y'all have any ideas that y'all want me to do, like certain type of videos, maybe certain mods, or just certain type of videos, really. I'm probably gonna collab with some of my friends that make content and have really cool cars, like this one turbo C5 is sick. I need to hang out with him pretty soon. Yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope y'all like the tint, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.